Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Bowie, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving within the same state or out of state, there's a lot you have to plan for throughout the long-distance moving process in Bowie. You have to cancel or lease or sell your home, arrange accommodations and housing, or buy a new house at your new location, move and ship your stuff, and still deal with your busy work and home life while you prepare to move. So let our moving team, just like 3 Brothers Movers, helps you with the entire moving process. 3 Movers offers the expert service you need to ship your household goods safely to your new home on time and within budget. Looking for cheap movers that can protect all your stuff? If that's what bothers you, then our family-owned movers are always at your service. Need help moving locally in Bowie? Even a smaller job, such as moving from an apartment or to a new condo, can be very intimidating and stressful, especially if you've got a busy schedule or a family. So don't go it alone or attempt a DIY move. Our team of extremely professional movers in Bowie have the tools, muscle, and trucks you need for a faster, more streamlined moving experience. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bowie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.